Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Motorola Moto G24. So you have to start by opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on parental controls and then click get started. Now select child or teen and then click next. Now click add or create account for your child. And now enter your child's email address. Now you have to enter your child's password. Now click I agree. Now scroll down and click accept. And here select your account. And now you have to enter your parent email address. And click next. And you have to enter your parent password. Now scroll down. And here you have to enter your child's password again. Now click next. And here scroll down and click next. Next. And here you can install Family Link, or you can click skip and install this app manually and then click on review controls, and now your parental control is set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.